So what's up guys? So today, welcome to another vlog. So today we're going to do my Vira. So my Vira 1.8 turbo, right? So the turbo have some knocking noise. So I parked my car at my friend's house. So we need to go there and do the car. So because I borrowed the car to my friend because he need car. He don't have car to use, so I borrow him for 2 days, and then got some noise there. So that's why I never drive my Vira for so long time. So I'm now driving my BMW. So I either choice to give my Vira or my BMW. So better I just give the Vira, right? So and the Vira I already put rev limiter lower and everything. So we now go to my friend's house and go and do the Vira. So right now I'm in my BMW E.33. It's a clean car. There's a ganjil. So let's go. Alright, already reached here. So this is my Vira. Parking for so long. Ooh. Damn. Missed that. Ini Abang Matt. Abang Matt. Let's go. So we need to put the car inside the house. Make my life easier. So let's see, get start now. Gear. There you can hear from, I don't know if you all can hear, but it's running like 3-cylinder. So I'll drive first for a while, see how I can drive or not. Shit. So guys, this is my 4G93 RB20 turbo, RB20, yeah, RB20 Nissan. You can see here Nissan. So K20 coil, bottom end stock, head stock, cam stock, custom. I do own intercooler piping. Evo, I think, I don't know what Evo, I think Evo 6 or Evo 5 intercooler. Power steering, no aircon yet. So fuel regulator from Shopee. So we're going, hope we open the head and check. Maybe there's a little bit damage, so save some money. So I go take my tools for it. So we find out the problem. You see here, and then this one, piston number 2 is down and piston number 1 is up.
Hey, number 2 and number 3.
Nah, number 2 lah, that one number 3. What? How you count piston? And then piston number 4,
And number 1.
piston number 1. So piston number 1 and piston number 2, I think the rod bent. Ay. Hi, Heladi. So we have to change the rod.
Tu dulu sebab jadi pendek bang.
We bend a rod. We bend 2 rod. Not mean he bend the rod, not me bend the rod. So it's he bend the rod. So 2 rod bend. So we suspect the valve, but the valve all okay. So right now we're going to open the piston. Oh Matt, apa jam Matt?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, bend rod. Okay, so maybe And next, you can see the piston is out, and we're going to fix it tomorrow. So tomorrow today night later I'll open the piston, and tomorrow we're going to fix another new piston if we can get piston. So we already opened the piston. So this is the result for number 1 and number 3 piston. Let's see that. Tada! We got a bend rod. You can see this one, you can see slightly. So it's only 2 rod. So only have to change 2 rods. So I think I get for 1 rod is 80 ringgit. Yeah. Put this in the BM. 1 rod is 80 ringgit. So tomorrow buy new rod and continue the Wira build. To revive it, I want to drive. I miss that car. Bye. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So we got piston. The day I show you all at night, so it's still a little bit of light. So piston number 1 and number 2 bend. So we're going to change the oil, change the filter, everything. Take out a new rod. Okay, you see this rod, bend. This rod, little bit bend. This is new rod. So we're going to install the rod today. Hope we can start the car today, so I can drive her. Right now we can take from the old piston the rings and transfer to the new piston, because we got no money to buy a new one. It's not the new piston ring cannot use, the old one can use. Still the gap still can use. So you're wondering why I never upgrade my rod. So now it's like, for me, right now I'm saving money for my drift car. So drift bill, you do roll cash, you buy new tire and everything, so save money. So the Wira going to get piston and rod soon. Mainly rod for supercharged piston. So next time so for now, so I can make the car running. The new piston, the second piston. So when you open piston ring, it's quite easy. So recommend, if you don't know how to do yourself lah. Piston is in. So now you all can see. Let me show some light. So stick. Okay. Piston number 1 is already flush. Then piston number 4 so it's flush. That's a major. Okay. Piston number 3 and 2 flush. So before that it's a little bit down, so now flush, so it's good because we bend the rod. So now we know bend rod. So let me tell you guys again why I never put mainly rod or any rod same piston, Because right now out of budget, so save budget. So right now one piston I get like $80, so 120, 100, 160, 160. So at least I can drive boost 1 bar, boost 1.3 bar. So original tune was 1.3 bar. So now I'm going to fix the oil sum. One more headache to put the oil sum in. Have to clean. So time lapse. Bye bye. All sum is done. Piston are in. So now we check down the car. So we are going to clean the head. We will sandpaper and the gasket, and then the block too. With sandpaper. Then I will put the head in and finish it up. Okay guys, I'm done for today. So I'm tired, and one problem. You know the head stud, there's a box number 10, it's missing. So I have to get one tomorrow. Then I can torque the head back and torque the head back, do timing, and then have to tune it back. So in the next video, maybe we'll start the car with some tuning, and then we have some street, like some short video of testing the car. So I'm very happy. So I cannot wait to drive this car. I miss the car. This is my, I think not my first Proton car, my first front wheel drive car. So see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.